Kind of copy for now. I think it is waiting on SPY. Still up 4%. Come on, let's go.
Wait, Rob, are you long? Netflix or short?
I said let's rip to the downside.
I was gonna say, Rob, what do you mean?
Let's dump.
Tesla crazy.
Tesla's crazy, dude. Tesla's crazy. I'm sitting here like a clown today, just watching Tesla. Just
Oh, there it is. Let's move in now. Come on. These contracts never went red, and that's a fine for me.
better be a clown. I guess so.
Let's keep working it here, though.
I think if I don't take Tesla long today in demand, which at this point it's probable for that retest to happen around 11 o'clock, I think I'll look for a short entry on SPY under 566 if that happens. Someone asked if I'm still holding NVIDIA. Yeah, I mean I still have NVIDIA, but I wouldn't I would not hold that intraday. The issue is if you hold like Friday expiration cons, you're going to have a lot of theta decay.
Rip candle.
I could have sworn we were going to dump at that 955 on SPY. I really thought we were going to fail.
Oh, I mean on Tesla.
Oh yeah, Tesla too. But SPY's ripping too. SPY's just holding support. Shorting QEQ 492. I mean, I see the level. I see the level Paris, but I would rather get a trend-based entry on SPY if we lose support.
So back to break even here, guys. Get green actually. Every tick, we're up 3% again. These contracts are like crazy holding today. I think it's just a matter of time. Either way, guys, our risk is like very well defined. Let's see how this plays out. We just need this candle to flip here. See, as I'm saying it, it's happening.
Big one. I think Tesla likely goes to 310. That's where I think it goes to. But just because I think that doesn't mean there's positive risk reward to long it now, right? The only positive risk reward trade is going to be some sort of pullback into 295, which will happen at some point today. I think it will happen.
All right, we're trying to break here.
Ideally, I want to see this. I mean, I'm looking at this bounce, so I want to see this gain momentum towards the upside, but this is kind of tight. I honestly want to see it go down a little bit to eventually go towards the upside, but I mean, if I miss it, I miss it. But I'd rather not take it straight at the bounce.
We just dance.
Up 6% here, guys, again. 6.5%. I wonder how zeros are moving.
his Netflix is doing. Probably took it from
Yeah.
down. up
8 ball,
here.
that was the right move. Tesla was the right move. Absolutely. Good trade. And now if you're just holding Tesla long, you just use the 5 EMA. Hold it to 310 or break it at 5 EMA. Once Tesla enters trend like this, I haven't seen Tesla enter trend like this in a while, which is kind of refreshing to see.
Yeah, there you go. Wow. Nice, guys. Netflix.
I got Tesla over
Right,
this line.
8%, yes. I don't know why the contract like does that, but it's fine. It's moving in our radar.
Over this 304. If we get close over this 304, I'm definitely in for longs. Could do next week's.
Need to break the lows now.
Can't do next week's. You probably put it to 310. They said 310 is the next level. I don't know where that's at, but I like that. Honestly, 165. It's not a bad price.
That's only 8%. Yeah, it should be more than that. It's crazy. Maybe if you get the break under that session low.
It's 3 way down. We're gonna catch this bounce though.
AMD.
With SPY
I'm not a huge
moving.
fan of AMD until 104 breaks.
SPY
Yep.
moves.
Guys, I've taken it from here at 10%. We are back to low, okay? 12% here.
If I'm wrong,
Breaking low, okay, here.
I'm looking for a candle below
Wow.
304.
Nice.
A continuation candle, like candle below 304.
Good read.
Definitely
And
hold on.
another
We got the
candle.
best entry. So, you guys are next week
Still
contract
going
risk is minimal, so hold if you guys want.
But
And
if SPY's
We'll,
SPY's kind of
we'll see
consolidating
where we
a
can
little
go with
bit
this.
right now. Not sure why. But as long as we stay around this line, I'm pretty confident about this trade. It's respecting it pretty well. It took a while to even break the line. It took
Hope you guys caught
1,
that.
2, 3. It took about
I wonder how many people
5
did this
minutes, a
already.
whole 5-minute candle,
It's a new low of day, guys.
just to break it.
I think it's 5. I can just flip here. If I hope it can. This thing got dumped even more. There you go, 10.5%.
And if
The
if
spreads are a
SPY
little
flips,
thing,
then I'm pretty sure
but spreads are
Tesla's
not
gonna
bad. It's a
flip.
$15 spread. So take your trim, hold the rest. And we're doing well.
That's why
And the stop is going to be 1,145. right now.
contracts are gonna move crazy. So I gotta make sure I define my risk. Mm. It's 15-minute. My next level is 383. 383 is my next level. This is straight like a gap. Guessing this is from Elon drops.
That's why it goes red, I told you. Wow. Oh my god. Hope you guys got spy also. I hope this session's recording is good though. I'm recording the whole thing.
So even Tesla, I mean, SPY is going red, but Tesla's still holding above this line, which is a good sign.
That could be the short of the day today.
I know.
I see SPY failing.
Good
It
way
can
to
happen.
say it.
I just don't see anything
I
of
don't think, and I don't wanna like to hold too much too long though because it's so far been a choppy session.
it's tempting to go short here too, but
Tesla's
I kind of want to wait for 566 to break.
resisting.
I'll wait for 566.
Here we go.
So,
Tesla's resisting the SPY SPY
we're still up like
candles.
5% on these contracts, guys. We're making, but like I said,
And
1145 is
honestly, I think
the trail
Tesla's
stop.
pushing
We entered
SPY.
around 1148, and we need to break 1140.
I'm like,
Now, hear me out. Next candle or this candle, I don't know. We've got 3 minutes to go.
if
I
I'm
want
looking
to
at
see the
this, I'm
SPY
pretty
wick
sure
under
Tesla's leading the
VWAP.
market right
If
now.
that happens, our downside moves confirmation. Right now, they're kind of showing
Tesla's
it like
moved
there's a wick off of
7%
VWAP.
off
Next
off
candle,
today.
we'll see how this plays out. Now, we have good entries on our chart, so let's just hold this remaining contract. Our risk is covered, so just hold it.
SPY is just our confirmation of the area. Now, if I'm right, since I don't have any levels till 330, they say the next level is 310. I can't find that. I can use 310 as a level, or I can use SPY 567.50 as my next level. So I'm looking at these charts simultaneously and just using whenever SPY hits this as the next level. Because I mean, today might be bearish. It could possibly be bearish. It hasn't picked a side yet. I'm up 20%. I just got the an email saying I'm up 20%. I'm gonna actually take my 20%. Sell to close. I'm actually 40%. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna just take my 40% first trade of the day. $60. I mean, it's that simple. Take my 40%. Rationale behind that is, it's been a really good week. I mean, we're looking like this is counting my losses from last week. This is also counting my losses from last week. I made more than 265, but it's average. Like it has my losses from Friday, which I lost $200 on just Friday. So I'm coming back from that loss deficit, and you see like constantly steady. You feel me? I also have $1,000 more that I can play with. Market, like, you feel me? It would have took off. Like, come on. How many more confirmation candles do you also need? Like, we come down, we bounce back up. Then we hit a new high.
Right.
We get new highs.
Yo, Tesla.
More new
Yeah, I see
highs.
Tesla.
Crazy.
I think it would
how
give us
many-
that pullback intraday, but it just made it probably gonna be like an 11 o'clock, 11:30 pullback.
How many
That's
more
what's
confirmations
happening, I think,
do
here.
we need
It probably
for
taps
this
out
to
around
go?
310.
You feel me?
Finds
Like,
resistance there. and then
realistically,
pulls
this
back
should have
to
just gone.
either 300
but-
or 295 as pullback longs now.
You feel me? They have
Tesla, this is the Tesla that
Crazy jump.
we know though a while ago. We haven't seen Tesla like this in quite some time. Once it enters trend, you really just got to be in.
So yeah. Honestly, why not take the 60? I have $1,000 to play with, which is what I started with this week. My goal
We
is
spoke about
making.
that this morning though.
My goal is making
290
$1,400.
Big upside.
Definitely put the GFE open.
So my goal is for this to be 1,400, right? You feel me?
Wow, okay.
I'm not gonna risk any more money. Look how the super drop, bruh. And plus, they're looking at puts. Market has not chosen a range. I mean, well, it's still within range. Like it can still break down lower. It can still go up higher. I'm pretty sure if market wanted to go higher, it would use that bounce as a rejection, and it would have pumped. So I'm pretty sure market wants to go lower, and it's probably gonna fill this gap for today.
67.30.
This would be a-
market high.
This would be like the third. This would be the third tap of this line.
I want to see this candle under the VWAP now.
Within within this little
That
session that
happens.
we've
Oh my god.
that I've been trading in. And you see
just
it's
made,
kind of
like,
clear
a
weakness.
couple
Like this was butter. This
good couple
was
on Tesla stocks.
straight through. This was
Let's see.
butter.
I want to see Netflix under now, guys. It's
Got choppy
level.
around
We just
here.
need to see if it holds.
Got choppy
so-
around here, but I feel like how many times you gotta touch the line
I
to
think I don't
feel
think
me?
I'm now. Look at that spy candle.
so now I can go
That's
spy
another
downside.
10%
I can go spy downside,
Again, Apple rejecting off
and
200.
I can also re-enter Tesla
If this fails, fill out the
on this
previous
rejection. So we can do here we can enter Tesla again. We see a clear bounce, and also I want to be as careful as possible because
Another big drop the same area.
it is 0 days. I have to trade 0 days because
There are buyers that they just need.
we're trading next week's for Tesla.
That's when buyers is confirmed.
This is Tesla next week.
We have.
I don't know
2
who
minutes,
has
30 seconds per candle.
I'm not putting $1,000 on one trade. So
For me, I
think that's my whole- literally
like
my whole market.
Apple under resistance, Amazon under resistance. Any pop on spy today looks like something we can short side trade.
yeah, I'm taking
The
spy
only
shorts.
thing I regret not signaling is meta short.
I'm taking spy shorts.
Okay, look nice stuff up the open.
That's my confirmation.
Nice.
You wanna come back up a little bit? That's actually perfect.
Netflix is just so clean. It's literally no
I'm
bias.
gonna do 3 days.
And the contracts are holding out.
3 days.
We just need to be a little bit careful for a second. Let's see if we can lose
It's
this
kind of
video again. 1 minute
expensive
to go.
though. You know, 300. Yeah, no. That's actually expensive. I'll do 0 days. Manage my risk. Alright.
I want to get sweaty today. Just ender short and use the high day stop. Let me see. I'm gonna load my contracts just to get them ready in case.
Oh, I'm short already.
It would be better to be short already. Yeah, obviously.
You know, these gonna move fast.
I don't want to hold
So
too
you
much
guys
too
gotta
long.
get in
Also,
and get out.
Fridays.
Fridays,
Yeah, I do see
sure
it
you
failing though.
get your money.
I see pretty big failure coming today. Let's see. I'll be patient.
Netflix idea is pretty straightforward, guys. We're still green, up 5% on this now. These are honest. We just need to break lows.
I'm at 20%.
I
We're
did
back
not
above
call
this line.
5% down, but if you listen to me talk, what did I say? This candle will close green, next candle there's a good chance we just turn red and break we have. Sometimes these are not signal worthy trades, you know. These are just scalps. If you know how to trade, you can use these ideas to trade. The setup that I call this Netflix is the proper setup. I'm telling you based on what the tape looks like.
So buyers are in the market again. The bears are here, and they're gonna at least try to push this candle up. Now $16. That's cool.
We're gonna lose that.
I just don't want to get back my profits, so I'm gonna keep this tight. That means this will probably be like $20, $30. This bounce. We'll see. That's not even a strong upside move, honestly. That's just bears showing like their presence in the market. We're gonna flush. We're gonna flush down here. Take out the liquidity. It's going to take out bear liquidity right here. It already came too close. And if it don't, it'll probably move back to the upside. But I don't know. We got a lot of falling momentum, and this was a uptrend. Yep, took out the bear liquidity. Gap closed. And we're just about to continue now. I actually don't know. What was my entry? I feel like I entered
Interesting.
right? Am I tripping? I feel like I entered up here. Apparently, I entered all the way down here. Maybe I can get filled for a while.
This is 5,700 yes.
There's still some buyers coming in. Maybe they just inverted. Let's see. Friday session. I think if they lose that 566, I think it's a proper buy short setup.
That's like, if I want to be sweaty, I enter short now and you stop by a day. If I want to be more concise and to an actual setup, it's under 566.
I think the risk is still like pretty tight, even if you have short right here, like maybe you're at 10%. This is the 1DT shot that I did didn't move much. I just had good size.
Yeah.
The Bears are
And it
stronger.
worked out.
I think we flushed though.
I think so too. The Bears are definitely stronger in this
I'll
situation.
wait for the proper setup unless I see it flip here. It already is flipping, to be honest.
Oh, there it is, yeah.
The Bears are stronger in this situation.
Under 565. If I wait for under 565, I'm missing out on a lot of the meat on that bone. I'd rather get in under 566.
There's a pig with a clown, a pig with a native.
No,
As long as they're looking
these are different
for
analogies. Now you're mixing them.
Only you use these chaos analogies. So only
Me and the bone, that's a common. These are common things, oh man.
common
another gap
for
down.
you. Cat, can you confirm?
Nah, we should be in the money.
Oh, wow. Fine.
Dang, this is not moving for me.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
It was
This is
moving
John, man.
crazy.
If you don't appreciate our trading, just leave, man. It's simple. Many people make money, right? Just leave.
It was moving crazy for. Hopefully the contracts
You can't
change
tell us
when we
not to
get
give
down
ideas. We
here.
give ideas to everyone.
But-
People who know how to trade can trade. Simple as that.
Nah, it was moving crazy when I was losing money, but when I'm making money now, it's like this is a good move, and I'm only up $5. I'm not gonna complain, but like
John, like, while I agree with you, the thing I say is, like, we will take trades that are own too, but sometimes they're less of a quality, right? The idea is, like, do you want more signals or more
The thing
quality
is,
signals?
what John's saying is not right. Wrong. Like, the thing is, he wants more signals. He wants all the ideas. It's not. The thing is, we can't do that with a chat of thousands of people who don't know how to trade.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, so many newbies, with so many experienced traders, so many intermediate traders. So the setups that we do call on live, we make sure risk is like 10-15%. So if we're wrong, we lose small. If we're right, we win big or we win decent.
Yeah.
The ideas that we give, so many ideas. We're giving so
10%.
many free stuff, free market webinar, after hours thing, ideas. All we do is give you knowledge and even commentary.
it goes
I trade, guys, didn't I
565.
just say it?
Alright, I'm looking for the next
What a yes
one.
if you just, I just
Oh, no,
said
gap
that.
fill.
If you knew how to trade, you would have
Sure.
taken that. Look at that.
Look for the gap fill.
By breaking now under 566.
Oh my
I
gosh.
gave you guys the idea.
We're
I told
falling.
you this was going to happen. So
We're falling.
if you know how to trade, you can. It's as simple as that.
I'm gonna load my SPY 563
There's only so much hand holding one can do.
puts to Monday expiration.
Gap fill, I'm out.
Imagine trying to long that high there, not knowing anything. At least we're giving you the right direction and everything, the guidance. So you guys need to be a little grateful and then learn in the process. So
Yeah,
that you
nah,
can also, you know, execute on
definitely.
your own.
Definitely. If I would have seen this,
But I do
Start
see his point.
bouncing.
I do see his point.
I would've-
But
I
the
would've
thing
won,
is like we're
but-
traders first, and we'll
As
signal
long as we're
too. But
under,
we're
bro.
just giving you.
This is my
We could just not
20%.
talk too, but we like to give you guys ideas as well.
My 20%.
I think it would be
But I
better.
have levels here.
Alright,
I have levels here.
Alright,
I mean-
7% you guys on now. This Netflix runners.
I don't like that candle. That candle's pretty weak. It's a pretty weak candle. But
I don't want to. I do not want to enter puts at low a day though. I want to get a proper entry.
Bread becomes exit liquidity.
I'm literally I just gonna get in. This candle flips green and I just enter puts at lows. I like it though. Under 566 short trigger back into 564. I see it, but let's see if we can actually.
It's a break people also. I can just leave. Come on.
I could just enter now and use go small size and add if I see a failure.
5 1DT is moved like $70 a ton from those highs. So I had the 567 put to 370 or something. They went to like 450.
Nvidia under 117 is short side. Now, in my opinion, short side down to 116.
I could just take this 20. But let's see. They might just be pushing. They might just be pushing the bears up.
Ricardo, I know. Not it's not everyone. It's just a few people. We're just explaining so that people understand. We can only give ideas. We can't. You guys want us to give like 10 low quality like signals like everything. So you just can't trade.
This is 565 gonna be.
Not a lot of people can trade. Most people are under pattern day
$70.
trading rules. They don't have 25K. So we're trying to be as disciplined for you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
better.
that's solid.
Just to learn, guys. Just learn, and
It's solid.
you learn. So
I should just be in putts. What the hell am I doing here?
This
I'm
is
reading the chat. I'm trying to read the chat
solid,
right now. I'm
solid.
like, I should need to just
what
focus.
the hell? What the hell? Why aren't you put together? Like,
Dude, I'm like, what am I
What the
doing?
hell?
Yeah, like reading, I'm like reading at the chat, like trying to like respond. I'm like, this is so
Ellie
stupid.
Berry.
Okay.
Ellie Berry.
Oh my god, dude. Look at that.
Sorry, I can't get filled here. This is not proper fill. I can't get filled.
No, like I mean,
I need to see some sort of green tick so I can define risk properly.
My Fridays normally don't go like this, bruh. Not gonna lie.
wow, Netflix. I just got signal the wrong signal. It's just not moving. Just break that 1140 over This is manager. How can they hold $1,000? Just dump. What's the hold on?
It should dump with the rest of the market. I knew this was honestly like I knew this was gonna happen today. I expect us to. I didn't see anything holding. All these betas we were just rallying on the back of Tesla, which is not enough to.
Oh, there goes fucking Netflix. Oh my god, finally. Just go. Alright, just lose that bet. 565 loses a life out. At least give it to them. Come
Oh
on.
my gosh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Where's Mike? Mike, where are you, man?
I'm right here.
I'm ready to buy a yacht.
In Santorini.
Just watching.
New low day here. On Netflix. I wish I said 0 DTs. Still. But
Nice shot, Pinnacle.
it's a new low day. We just need to look 1140 that yesterday closed. No.
Gonna take
Okay,
this
let's see if
money.
this candle flips green. This candle has to flip green. Come on.
Alright, if I win this trade,
Alright.
if it fills this gap, this is gonna be my mother's gift money. So if you guys love my mom, I suggest you keep going down.
What the beta is doing. Projecting.
Simple as that.
That is in full downtrend today.
Simple as
That
that.
was the best trade today. Should have switched to that.
You're gonna take sellers out.
I was nice though. $2 drop.
I think right
Okay.
here is
They look so weak today. Like I see it. Like look at the
565,
slam this.
80 is my stop.
Where was the
5.
Netflix? Can you break 1140?
Now we just push. We finish it off. 565. Yep.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That's exactly it.
New lows, guys. If you could do 0 DTs, you're probably printing on Netflix. So $7 drop. from survey entered. It's up 11% now.
Alright.
10.8.
1400.
Uh,
I hit my
I've
goal for the
taken
week.
most of them for
Oh
example,
my gosh.
just to get some of the stuff.
Hit my goal for the week.
All risk. Break even on us now will be
I
like
think I'm
maybe
gonna call it for the vid. I might take a couple more
10% here.
trades,
There
but I'm
goes
gonna
all
take them
just
safe. So I'm gonna take whatever they call. I'd rather win and lose money. Cause these,
break
I mean,
140 again.
Oh
when,
boy.
when they actually do make
Oh
call,
my
like when
God,
they
this
do
might
make calls,
Are you still in Spy Rev?
I mean, they're good. They're good. Like he was in Spy Plus too. I got in early.
If it returns 5 for sale, so that's it.
Oh my gosh.
13% here on FX time.
Yeah, I got FOMO. But you know, dang, that would have been $100 off one trade, bruh.
Here, 564.
It's gonna bounce off this 564.
Selling,
Or it's 564 level, but
New
like,
low.
bruh, I ain't
It took
gonna
a while,
hold you.
but our contract never went red. If it's this 0 DTH, this is probably 100% red. So 17% here on next 6 months.
Dang, he had 100%. I got 50. Holy, and he got in way later than me, bruh. I got it.
Yeah, like, that is
I got it. I got it up
like
here.
level 2 still this game.
Yeah, it's gonna bounce out that. Yeah, but yeah. I think that's it for today.
JFR,
I hit my goal for the week.
I promise you, I did
really
not
don't want to give
take Spy.
money back.
My dumbass was looking at
As
the
of right
chat. The
now.
thing is, it still may yield entry though.
It's
So
just gonna keep dumping. It's
Let's
still
free
looking
market.
at.
Go watch for the free market. As I told you, we need participation from Apple, Meta, and all these names. Spy is gonna break out. None of those names did. So just because Tesla was the only one that was kind of holding it.
I love
everything to the recommend.
Right.
I love Tesla.
564 breaks,
So-
selling can accelerate now at 562.
So what I'm looking for Tesla is this is probably a level. This is probably a level. You just see like
I do not want to. Why would I be bouncing into you guys?
These
It just makes no sense.
area consolidations is probably gonna bounce off this.
The video was short trigger under
area.
117.
Right.
You guys have to switch your bias quick.
Since Spy is bouncing, Tesla's gonna bounce straight off this area, and I'm pretty sure that's what it's doing now. It did it a little early, but I mean I can see it moving down a little more. But yeah, if Spy bounces up, Tesla's definitely gonna bounce. Looking at, you feel me, these consolidation areas, this area, if you boxed it like this, box the consolidation, like this is the area you kind of want it to push up at. But yeah, and then we're taking highs. We're taking high a day.
We know that Netflix is capable.
We're taking high a day.
You just need to break that previous candle on us. It's kind of bouncing off of your
Actually, Tesla.
1142 trail stop around 5 EMA.
Because this is like the perfect setup, honestly.
Wide storm, it would be. That's exactly right. So like you would look for at this point 565.50 is what you'd be looking for pop and fades now. Tesla's also still valid too. Don't just think a little bit of downside on the market. It doesn't make Tesla valid. It doesn't make Tesla valid. Tesla's still valid as well. Off that 295 demand. Nothing's changed about Tesla. The structure's still bullish. Holding 564.
Actually not paying attention right now. Hold on. I could be losing money. Looks like I made money. Right? Yeah, $22. Alright, so this is my confirmation. I'm getting out at break even if I'm wrong. But this is really the level that I'm depending on. If we can break this, if we can break this, I ain't gonna lie. Might be good.
Yeah, that could also have been the pullback on Tesla, right? That's 300 on Tesla. Tesla's still bullish. 300 longs and 295 longs are still valid.
Alright, let's see. We're at a break even. We're at a break even. Come on. I don't know where my break even is at, honestly. I could take the 10%.
Come on, flip it.
Why take $11? Yeah, I'm talking like I got it. Yeah, let me stop talking like that. Anyway.
Sam, basically right now, if you're looking for SPY, you're probably watching some sort of long off 562, which is far-fetched but crazy, or not crazy. Or you can look for a pop and fade off momentum back into
I want this
565
line.
566.
I want
That's
this line to
on
fold.
SPY now.
Like,
But to be honest with you,
like
the
an
A plus
omelet,
trade
bro.
was there, right? The breakdown under 565, 566, that was A plus.
I need the
You had to
304. I
get
need the
filled.
304
There
to
was
fold like an
split of
omelet.
30 seconds or so where you had to get filled. That's where that was, between like 10:20, 10:21. Now we're holding. If you look at the ES chart, right? Look at that little pre-market low, the 560, 56.75 level. If we break under, okay, now
Two lows on Netflix here. Wow. Almost up 19% here.
I'm surprised not more.
So it's 1 DT, right? Sorry,
Next week, yeah.
Zeros did crazy, though. I had a little bit of 1140. They did double. They doubled. I'm sure some people did zeros. So it's all about levels, right? Like, our stop never broke. There was conviction. Then it never trailed out. So I was able to put more size on the next week on. So I had the 1080s and 1085s. Our risk was literally non-existent on this trade. It's probably like 2 or 3%, maybe. You guys can confirm, have we did these contracts ever go red? I don't think so. .6%, 18, 19%. Yeah. Yep.
If we now lose 564,
22% here, guys. 21% here. Now we are moving. Holy fuck. Holy, yeah. Yes. 22% here, guys. I've taken some more off because I have a level of
Oh my gosh.
23% here.
He's
Now I'm going to use that 1140 as well. So.
Your limit down Friday.
Crazy. Crazy action, man.
I hope we lose
dang.
that
I thought I was
562.
down here.
if we lose 562,
This is a double
it's
bottom.
That's a new short trigger. That would be that. I mean, if we lose 562, we're at risk for 585.
No.
That would
Yeah, I
be-
mean, I'm still in my thing, so
140.
I want us to see lower.
yeah, you'll profit off those.
Oh no, I gotta get back
Green
up to
now.
4.
Guys, I full on Netflix. You guys can keep running trail stuff. I just want to focus on some more charts because I don't have much of a size anymore in this trade. Great trade, great hold. I hope you guys make money. That is 0 DTS or next week. And let's see what happens if SPY is approaching 280.
I was using that SPY as confirmation, but I mean, it just, I mean, said F my confirmation. I thought I got in closer to the lows, so I didn't realize I was down 20% off that move, but I would have been got out. I honestly should get out on this candle. Because, I mean, how many times is it going to tap the line, come back up, tap the line, it's after it does it 3 times, you already know, like, it's probably going the
That's
other way.
what's so interesting to me.
Yeah, honestly, like, I still like Tesla, and it's coming down to this consolidation level. This is where I like it at. I might still re-enter. I think Tesla is my trade for today. I just gotta find another good entry. To find my risk, to find my
Do I think it'd be a bounce? Yeah, I do. 295. That's still the retest long. 295 Tesla.
standing on sofas, S classes and Rovers. I keep on pouring muddy up on my soda. It's a different motion. 30,000. I don't know my mind. And hang with all the boys. I ain't wanna have it. Try to turn the rap. Best to change the culture. We up on me. Heavy coaching. Got you, I never wear. I don't want it, I take it there. I got it.
Wow. Netflix just ripped again.
I just know it can crack this line, bruh.
Holy shit.
All it takes is
Yeah,
it coming up one more time,
I
bruh.
have only 5 contracts.
I'm looking for one more reverse. I'm looking for one more reverse.
I-62 is big demand on SPY.
So 42% now. Next week. Double
There's
on the
something
bond.
We're in the fair value
Oh.
gap.
Hilarious.
I know we broke the fair value gap, but just to gap up. This is all the 15-minute. Rejects this. Yeah. On the 5-minute, it's created a gap.
Maybe not. It's a 30%. Not 40% just yet.
I like free, I cannot lie. Money cannot buy. Oh my gosh. I should have simultaneously switched to a put. I ain't gonna lie, bruh.
Oh boy. I'm a professional loader.
Loading does not mean enter. Like literally.
You said I'm a professional loader.
My dog woke me up at 3 a.m. last night. I couldn't go back to sleep. Apparently, Amazon now delivers at 3. What the hell? Like, Amazon delivery at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Wait, real?
Yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning delivery.
That's OD, bruh. I can't imagine Amazon knocking on my
See you
door
later,
at 3.
John B. Have a good weekend. Yeah, I'm probably done also, guys. I don't think I'll signal anything more. Maybe that's going to be released soon at 62.
I think there is relief at 5. I think if you're looking for trades now, short side, you missed it. That's it, right? Understand that. You look for either retest shorts at 566 or look for longs at 562. But
The funny thing right now is look at SPY bread.
yeah,
It's only down 0.3%.
I mean, if we lose 562, that's where shorts really
That's right.
accelerated.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Tesla is
But we
my
should get a
play.
release though. I want a release. 565 shot. 566 shot looks good.
Tesla is my play.
want 550.
I just need to see weakness to the downside. I'm not seeing
550?
much other than this,
Yeah.
these 2 wicks.
Yeah, I mean, swing, yeah.
I need to see Tesla being weak on the downside. This is consolidation, so I mean I like it. Picasso. But nah, I definitely need to make like $5. I can't be under 400. I need to at least be at 1400 by the end of this week. Maybe I should have took out when I had 20%. Or no. Was it 20%? I'm taking out on all 20% stuff. New high. It opens. I like it. I like it. It gotta come down again though.
Wow, SPY.
I actually like it though.
Rip. Yep, ripping.
No.
That's what I was saying. You missed a long. You don't want to be a rhino according into 562.
There we go.
That's the biggest mistake you can. The biggest mistake you can make is, oh shit, okay, missed the opening bell short. Now let's go short demand lows, right? The reasonable shorts now are simply going to be, well, 564 is a level, but really it's 566 or a break and hold under 562.
I ain't gonna lie, the
And if we lose
Bears
562, we
got
can actually
it
see like a
today.
capitulation type day today. And
The-
to 5,
the Bears
555.
got it. They're not letting
What's your next level on SPY?
nothing go.
Rob, Mike, what do you guys have?
563.70 and then 562.
Yeah. No, but under
that
what?
563.70.
Yeah, 562.50. That's my Alexa.
The stock right under, but I don't know. First bound usually is pretty. But names like Tesla are holding.
562 and then 556.
I got out of Netflix because I saw that there were like bikes coming in, and I was like, I didn't want to like even see it red. Thing will get a bounce. What happens after that bounce happens? Will that be reload sellers? That is the question.
Galvinus revive. Could we shorten SPY off 565 retake expected? Yeah, I mean, if you see us fail, like that, look right now, look at VWAP, right? Look how extended we are from VWAP. It's logical for us to tap VWAP again if we're gonna go lower, right? That's what I would think would happen in a healthy downtrend. So watch that 565.50 to 566 retest short. I seen NVIDIA 115 as well. Like obviously it's holding, but my main focus is Tesla. For those longs on Tesla, what strike you're looking at? It doesn't matter, Jeremiah. Anything work on Tesla, but probably going to be next week contracts. Nice job, John.
Yeah, 563.70 is kind of holding. Tesla, I want to see if it can holding now, but do the first kind of bounce. I wonder if they can break structure or just want to retain structure today. 10-minute structure is still holding on Tesla. Maybe that would get plus under 300 and then pop back. But 304 will be difficult though.
my life, Reese, I cannot lie. This money cannot buy.
I don't want to overdrive on a Friday though.
Oh my gosh.
I'm actually gonna pop off here. I think in about a minute or two. I'm gonna just set alerts.
Wanna take it?
I'm gonna take a nice nap. I'm gonna set my alerts, and if we get Tesla, pull back long. That's my main watch. Set alerts for SPY as well, and I think we had a good session today. We had the right ideas, and Netflix was also really nice too. So I'm sure people got it. No reason to overstay if you guys are agree.
I like this.
130 with 40%, Netflix with 40%.
130. Can we get it? 129.
I mean, what more can you want?
128.
With the perfect setup.
125.
Yeah.
Yeah, very small loss for me.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, and then you can even call it this.
Yeah, let's go. If you guys are green, just close your week green.
Yeah,
Don't
honestly.
go crazy, right? Even if we signal Tesla again today, and you see, oh, they're in Tesla at 1:30 p.m., right? You're green in the week, just walk away.
Yeah, definitely. I ain't giving my money back. No way. No how. Standing on sofas, S classes and rollers. SPY's controlling the market. I'm gonna wait for SPY to get over 560.64 before I enter Tesla. Even if I see like this is a good candle, bro. I'm waiting. SPY can't get over 564. I don't care. I see it close. I see it close. I like it. Picasso. I like it. Picasso. See, they trying to play with me. They trying to play with me. SPY gonna take off, and they gonna start moving to the downside. Don't ever play with me. I don't know what I see in you. I just wanna make you happy. I never ever let them take my soul. That might be my exit. Dang. Bro, it's like whoever's upstairs just be knocking stuff over, bro. I swear we don't do that, bro. I don't know what I see. I just wanna make you happy. Is it bouncing off the MA? Not really. It's kind of riding. Kind of riding the MA. Kind of weak. Definitely weak. Nah, I'm not messing with it. Yeah, I got out. Alright, I'm losing too much money. I'm waiting for the actual confirmation. I'm gonna wait for the actual confirmation. I'm getting too hype.
Bears are still in control, it looks like. That fair value gap is the area I'm looking at for longs. Cause Spy got the bounce off 564. I honestly could have did Spy, but Tesla, I don't know. Tesla's moving a little weird. Spy might. This is a key level for Spy. 565. It's that next level. Fuck. I don't wanna make you happy. It's like just get out, bruh. That finally weakness. That's weak. And it's a bounce off here. Now, let's try this again, Tesla. Let's try this one more time. You feel me? 305s. Let's try this one more time. I'm gonna enter off this MA. If it don't come down to MA, I'm not entering. I need it to come back down to the moving average. I think the Bears have lost control of the market right now. We're about to go bull. Come on, come down a little more. Calm down a little more. What are you even talking about?
My man's Karosh. Nigga.
Karush?
Yeah, nigga. Bro, you out here watching fucking stocks with your leg up and shit. You go fucking weird ass nigga. Yo, fuck wrong with you, yo.
I made more money today.
No.
I made more money today than the money in your bank account. Alright? I know you don't got that much money in your bank account.
Oh, no, I actually do.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, I know you don't.
So, it's like...
No, and it's like... No, and it's like, it gets to a point... Oh, that's my entry. I never ever let him take my soul. I be going with it, let it go. don't know what I can see in you. I just wanna make you happy. Alright, let's go. Let's push. I just wanna see you. I just wanna make you happy. I never ever let them take my soul. I be going with it anyway it goes. Get that checked out immediately.
What?
Get that checked out.
Get what checked out?
That cough immediately. Yo, what? It's bouncing again. I don't like that. I don't like the bounce. I
I was
don't
gonna say
like.
something. You don't want to hear that, champ.
No, go ahead, say it.
No, you don't want to hear
Go. No, say it. It's cool.
that.
Nah, speak your mind, bro. We're in a free country, bro. You feel me? Speak your mind. Say what you gotta say. Hmm? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. There's no way. The spy's taking off. It gotta take off. Bro, didn't class start at 11?
Yeah.
It's 11:04.
Give 'em up, nigga. Give 'em up, for real.
I see you. I just wanna make you happy. As long as Spy's above this level, I'm pretty confident in this position. Are we not gap filling? Sorry. No, we're not gap filling, but Spy has a lot of area to clear. Pretty sure it's not going to end at 1% for the day. It's the same level. You see? Draw the fair value gap, you get your levels. This same level is giving problems. So now we're going to test, this is our 4th test of this level, 5th test of this level. You feel me? You're going to test this level again. Just like in boxing, like, just gotta check their chin a little bit. If it's the 5th time you just check their chin, they might go out. That was 20%? There's no way. Oh yeah, it was only $100. I'm tripping. I just got Robinhood comes with the emails for the 20%. I'm like, yo, I was like, quick. But I do realize I'm on 1 days. I'm on 0 days. And if Spy can't push, this is not gonna push. Alright, we're good. Should be good at least. I don't know. Like, what more confirmation do buyers gotta have? Like, what more confirmation do we need? $15. See, I would take this 20% up here, but I know we can push higher. Like, we're not even rejecting a level. We're literally just, like, playing around, playing footsies. I don't know. This is, like, the 3rd break of this level. Yeah, I'm like, come on, bruh. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm out at that purple dotted line. Come on, bro. Are we like? You feel me? Yeah. It's rejecting it early. No, I just moved it. Oh shoot. Or I'm just at. You missed my out. One more time. Yeah, I swear. Yeah, it is. Now I'm just looking at this chart. Tesla's moving very well. Looks like buyers are still in control. It's a quick wick. They're not letting it. They're not letting it go down. When you look at it, this is literally just the whole market's just a tug of war of buyers and sellers. And like just like in tug of war, like you gotta know. I mean, strategically, you gotta know when to conserve your energy. So like sometimes you gotta let the team pull you a couple feet, so your team can conserve your energy and do one big pull. And you're just waiting for the pullbacks. You're waiting for the pullback so you can basically do your big pull and you're basically winning. I don't like how this is looking though. I'm not gonna lie. But I know as soon as I get out, it's gonna rip. But nah, I might be out after this candle. If it's still like if it can't break highs. It shouldn't take more than 2 candles to break highs like within this range. This is like a 10-cent range. Yeah. We just thrashed the line like like we just thrash it. You see SPY like just thrashing the line like. Alright, let's set a close. Take 30% back where I was at basically. I still got 500. I need to know when to quit. No, it's low-key addictive when you actually making money. But nah, I'm about to take this money out anyway. Yeah, I'm about to take this money out anyway. I made 10% for the day. If and when they do call this Tesla play, I'll definitely be in it. Not sponsored, but join the honey drip, bruh. It do work. I mean, I feel like this week I've been calling a lot of trades by myself. I'm kind of like locked in. For my losses, like I realized, like, I mean, I've been doing this for going on a year. Yeah. Probably going on 2 years. I've been doing this for going on 2 years, so I mean, I know what candles look like. I know what markets look like. I'm not no expert or no pro. I'm still in the hole. Trust me. This $100 is only chipping away at the hole I'm in. I'm what? And now I think I used to be $500 away with this $100 gain. Now I'm 400. You feel me? Like I'm just chipping away at the hole I'm in. Yeah, nah, but in total I was like $700 and all. but honestly, um, after last week's Friday losses, I realized there's a lot of dumb things that I did, right? And it's like I had the right idea. Had the right idea. I would either take a bad entry because I didn't get the entry I wanted, or I'm not setting my risk. So like sometimes you might get the entry you want, but it's just not gonna go your way. And when you set your risk, just like the Tesla call I had before this, I defined my risk. Kind of got unlucky. Kind of got unlucky with one of these drops. I think I called this. Kind of got unlucky. Yeah, I think I called it right here. Got unlucky and ended up losing 20%, which like that's I mean, it was a good amount. But like, imagine if I didn't have no stops and I was just like, all right, let me just stay in. Like, this probably would have been 50%, and I probably would have got out here because I'm like, dang, I lost 50%, and this would have just came back. Like, I would have basically made no money. It would have been down 50%. I would have been break even right here, and then I probably would have been up like 20% again. So it's like, knowing when to stop yourself out, knowing the day that you're trading. Like, if you know you're trading SPY 0 days, you know that should be a scalp. You're not, when you're trading SPY 0 days, like, you can't hop on TikTok. You can't hop on TikTok. Can't hop on Instagram. You gotta almost like watch like a hawk, cause like anything can happen. Make sure you have a closely defined risk, because a 10-cent move on a 0 day can literally be 20% by itself, depending on the volatility. Which, yeah, I mean, it's just how the game goes. Like, people get stopped out, people make money. It's just the fluctuations of everything. Nvidia is actually moving pretty smooth. It's like almost too smooth. Like, where's the entry? Where's the entry points? Like, we're just bouncing off air almost. Like, we took out liquidity over here. Took out liquidity up here. I don't even know if that's today. But like, Nvidia is moving it's moving smooth. I actually like if Nvidia can, like, this Nvidia chart. If I were like entering like an actual stock for Nvidia, I don't know. It's like down 66%. I mean, 0.66. Like, that's not even bad. I like Nvidia at that 116 level. I really wanted Nvidia. Oh my gosh. If I could get Nvidia down when it was, man, oh man, down at these 100 levels, bruh. 104, 105. And I was like, if Nvidia hit 90, if Nvidia hit $90, bruh, I'm in. But I was waiting too long, bruh. 100 is already a good enough premium for Nvidia. Mind you, this can get up to $140, $150, $150 a stock. So, being 100 per share, I buy like 5 shares. we get back up to 150 for Nvidia, or we even push higher to get to like 160s, 160, 170, something like that. Like, what, 70 times 5, like, that's $350 easily. And I was in the video at like 124, I want to say, or 130, something like that. I'm gonna play this Tesla line. So SPY keeps dancing around this 565 level. I want Tesla 304. I got it above 304. But it actually has to get there first, which is kind of hard with how SPY is moving. But yeah, I mean, how I would play this is literally Tesla breaks over, fall back. If I see wicks, if I see a wick down here, I just know, alright, it's about to go. Like, wicks honestly tell you a lot. When a candle wicks, it tells you who's in control. Like, for example, if we were to look at this, you see how it buys up in wicks? Clearly sellers are in control, because it keeps buying up, it's not doing any continuation, and they just sell. Like, it just sells. Wicks are honestly, like, now I'm looking at one of the most important things to look at and understand. When you can understand what a wick means within the chart, I mean, that's everything, bruh. You'll be right about everything when you can understand wicks. I like puts. I mean, I like longs. I'm not going puts on Tesla, so I definitely do puts on SPY, but I'm not going puts on Tesla. I don't even think I want to trade SPY today. But yeah, not even little things like managing risk. Like today, how I improved from last week. Last week I would have did Tesla. Let me show you exactly what I would have did for them Tesla plays. I would have went to Tesla. Oh yeah, Tesla's about to go up. Tesla's about to go up. Tesla's about to go up. Tesla calls. I would have paid $370 for this call. Mind you, I have a $1,000 account. How many trades can you take when you're putting in $300 for one trade on that $1,000 account? Only 3. And it's $370, so it's dang near $400. So really only 2. You could really only take 2 trades. But today, as you can see, I kind of went higher and I went for the 135. And you can do that on the big names like Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, like the big names, high liquidity. You can go to a higher price. Like I did the 305 calls. Like you can go to a higher price because there's like it's cheaper. You're not gonna, it's less risk. Of course you're not gonna make as much money as if I was in for $300. If I was in for $300, this move probably would have been $200 move itself, like $150 move itself, just this. But like, I mean, contracts change based off of a lot of factors, and this is a big wick, honestly, super wick. Wick. This might be another wick. Like, took out the liquidity right there. but this could just be a wick and continuation. Like this is a wick continuation. Wick, this could be a continuation. So I'm not gonna enter here. I mean, this wouldn't even be an entry, honestly. But I'm looking for. Honestly, I could look for a bounce right here too. Right there at these lows. This is low of day. That's low of day. I can look for an entry right at the low of day. I really want calls above here, but I also can do calls down here. Right at low of day. Oh no, this can't be low of day. Low of day is down here. But I'm pretty sure Tesla's going to stay at 5% for today. They're going to stay around this range, 5 to 6%. So I know Tesla's going to trade within this. This is my area. I mean, realistically, like you don't just gap up and continue like that and go all the way back down. Like, nah. It's pretty significant. Plus, Tesla has been down for a while, so pretty sure that I think they were like at 380 last time I checked. Like last time I was like actually like trading stocks, individual stocks. Oh my gosh. It failed my level. Just absolutely cracked that liquidity. I'm not convinced. I need a little more convincing. I have no defined level either. I mean, just taking out liquidity, bruh. I don't know. This is. I don't like Tesla puts. I don't want to do Tesla puts. I really like Tesla calls. I don't want to trade momentum. But honestly, if this can do what it do about this candle, I might have to trade momentum. Keep my losses short right down here. Yeah, you see? Yeah, we're going short. I could clear, like, I see it, bruh. I can see it, bruh. I like that. SPY obviously hates 563. I mean 564. I don't wanna pity you. I just wanna make you happy. I see weakness. I see weakness. I see weakness on the short side. But let me define my risk first. My risk is down here at 297.30. 297.30 is my risk. And you know we're going calls. You already know. Oof. Got him for 228, bruh. Yeah. It dropped down a little bit. Oh my gosh, SPY is flipping. $8. Now Tesla just needs a rep, bruh. I ain't gonna hold you. Hey, don't do that. Anything about that, bruh. Anything but that. SPY's rejecting off 564. It's trading in this range. But it also, never mind. I was about to say it's rejecting the downside, but it's such a fake push down. I don't know. The green. But this is such a fake. This is grabbing liquidity. Can we push? $9? Like, come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. There's no strength on the downside. It's zero strength on the downside. We're just doing anything right now. Yep. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna be careful with this. I'm gonna just have my defined risk down here. This can just continues. I don't know, this is stupid. Sellers, like, they don't have control, but they still have presence. I don't know. Alright, yeah, that's it. $18. I feel like I should let it rock though. Like, where is it gonna stop? I kinda wanna let it rock, or at least wait for this candle. Nah. There we go. But you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect. Oh, nobody's perfect. Hey. Alright, my risk will be around $14. It'll be back at the, like, those recent lows. Nobody's perfect. Oh, nobody's perfect. Hey. Now, if I'm correct, should be a lot of money in it. I ain't gonna hold you.
I'm gonna need for all of my dumbass family because stop calling talk about what do you think about what Trump doing now? You see what Trump doing now? Listen, I got what I wanted out of my vote the very first week that Trump was in office, okay? I wanted women to get their rights back and for them to stop letting transgenders play in women's sports. And I wanted them to take all of the LGBTQIA, B, C, D, E, F, G out of the schools and to stop forcing it on children and get them nasty ass books out of the kids' schools. I got what I wanted out of my vote. I wanted all of those illegal immigrants that was here hurting American women to get deported. I got what I wanted. Stop asking me. I'm good. I'm back to living my life like you don't do. Because every single 4 years, your dumbasses let the richest black people in entertainment stand up and tell you that you can't do it and that you being held down. When their very existence is showing you that that's not true. I'm gonna need for all of my dumbass family because stop calling talk. Yeah. Word to my mom. I absolutely don't feel like SA is okay, especially if it was 38 years ago. I am a woman who has been through that before, and I know that it affected you that badly.
This looks like a double tap. If it's actually, if it's a real double tap, we're about to fall. I probably should get out. But I don't know. We'll see.
Tell me why on the way to this game, we stopped at the gas station and we saw this big, giganto pig. But y'all know this Alabama. And here's my lineman, best left guard in the United States of America. Y'all see he got his GoPro out today. He making highlights out of all y'all. Go ahead and drop y'all's at so we can tag y'all on Huddle. And I'm not sure if it was just because he had the GoPro or if he was just teed up today, but my man was just balling today. And I mean every play. Never back down, never what. So if y'all want to see a top pick O lineman's POV, go ahead and tune into my husband's page at Decode. But it really amazes me how you as a grown man are fine with being thrown down and ran on top of.
If the nigga look better than me, that's one thing. But if you lose your bitch to a nigga with some money, that hurt different, bro. Bitch, leave me now. All of a sudden, you in Jamaica. I can't afford Jamaica, bitch. I sent you to Miami. If the nigga look better than me, that's one thing. But
Every man that I see that's every man that I see that's married has like this black band around his like ring finger. So I do apologize to all the blue collar men out there. I was not familiar with your game. Keep yourself safe. Wear the ring. I appreciate you. Every man that I see.
my fiance thinks I spent a fortune. Little does she know I used Rare Carrot, the marketplace.
Low key, if you study electrical engineering, I think the best topic when you're starting out that you learn is finite state machines. It's like the coolest thing because after you have done freshman year, sophomore year, many students, they've already done calculus and they're done with the physics 1 and 2.
That means I'd have to take
General ones out of the
circuits.
way. And then finite state machines often show up in like your digital
How will I
class,
treat while
and
taking the
that is
circuits class?
where I believe you
I'll have to be back at break even.
is one of the first times in the degree that you learn something that actually has like a very direct application in the real world. And so what I'm saying is when you learn the finite state machine, it's confusing. It's built off of the AND gates.
Come on, Spy. I mean, come on, Tesla. Lead the pack. Come on, bruh. Mm-mm. What are you even talking about? What are you even talking about?
The school year's over. I don't get to live with your ass, nigga. You gonna get guys shit out and shit. Thank God I'm out the door. If I had to bust in this nigga would have been. I see why you.
You see why what?
This nigga Caleb going getting this nigga's colors. You didn't want to call this nigga Pendle Nuts.
Yo, low-key, we did it. No, you should have.
Nah, we all should. That's the name. So, like, we should put Justin as name. Damn, my bad, TA. My last day. You know how to get up for shorty. Fuck. I can't register. I don't know what Mogul was talking about.
Like you're not allowed to?
No, like, she said it as if she took off the restriction. She didn't. Well, I don't think that's something in her jurisdiction. I think she... I don't know what the fuck Io did. This nigga gonna say email Mogul, but he CC'd like another person. I don't know how to get in contact with him.
I don't like that.
I don't even feel like going to stab. That's all I have today.
I don't like that at all.
Meet at what time? Around 3.
20%. I like the bounce though. I don't know. I think I'm gonna stay in this. A little bit more. Maybe add right here. I don't know. If I add, I have to have a defined stop. Alright, this might have fine stop then. $98.50. Hopefully it takes it's my average 21. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Let's go. Let's go. I don't like that. Come on. Come on. Wedge. Is this a wedge? Do that. And then wedge pattern. Rising wedge. Let me see. I just wanna see you happy. Yep, downtrend. And if it comes lower, it's probably SPY is moving, but no, what the heck? I just wanna make you happy. Bounces. I made it out where I don't run. That's not a foolish figure. Come on, come on. Yeah. There's a falling wedge pattern. That's what it's looking like. Even though I'm in the opposite. Oh my gosh. Don't even want to look at that. Oh my gosh. They gotta lose. Like, it's looking at 25%. I'm gonna ride this. I'm gonna ride it. I mean, it looks good with the, other than this wedge pattern. Probably a bad trade though, honestly. No real defined risk. Enter another position on something that just hasn't been going my way.
Where was this nigga sheet at, bro?
Double wick. Yo, health center.
You know when you laugh when you got that quick fire ass comeback, bro. It was just I can't say it.
No, say it.
Nah,
No, go ahead, say it. Like,
bro, I really couldn't. I couldn't tell you, bro.
licking. Please don't break. And crazy break. Oh my gosh. Mine 3? Oh.
Wait, is this an actual true thing?
What?
When niggas about to cross, they just act like they don't know you.
I don't know.
Nah, it's probably exaggerated.
Yeah, no. I'm not. Shoot, bruh! Just gave it all back. Just gave it all back. Are we serious? Just gave it all back. I'm done.